Understanding Hearts in a Whirl, a deep dive into English idioms. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that paints a vivid picture of emotions. Hearts in a whirl. This expression is a beautiful example of how English uses imagery to describe feelings. Stay with us as we explore its meaning, origins, and how to use it in conversation. Whether you're learning English as a second language or just love exploring the nuances of idiomatic expressions, this video is for you. The phrase, hearts in a whirl, describes a state of being emotionally confused, overwhelmed, or excited, often because of love or another strong emotion. Imagine your emotions spinning around like a whirlpool or a tornado. That's the intensity this idiom aims to convey. It's used to express that someone is feeling a lot of different emotions at once, to the point where they might find it hard to focus or keep their feelings in order. While the exact origins of hearts in a whirl are not clear, it draws from the imagery of spinning or whirling movements to describe emotional turmoil. The use of heart in English idioms is very common, symbolizing the core of our emotions and feelings. This phrase fits into a broader category of English expressions that use physical actions or states, like spinning, to describe emotional experiences. Using hearts in a whirl in conversation or writing adds a poetic touch to your expression. Here are a few examples to help you understand its use. When I heard the news, my heart was in a whirl, and I couldn't think straight. Seeing her after all these years left my heart in a whirl. It was a mix of joy, surprise, and nostalgia. Remember, this idiom is best used in situations that involve strong, often conflicting emotions. It's particularly effective in creative writing, personal narratives, or when describing romantic feelings. English is rich with idioms that convey similar meanings to hearts in a whirl. Some of these include heart skipped a beat, used when something causes a strong emotional response, usually surprise or excitement. All in a flutter describes a state of excitement or nervousness. In a tizzy refers to being in a state of nervous excitement or agitation. Understanding these variations can help you express a wide range of emotional states with nuance and precision. We hope this exploration of hearts in a whirl has enriched your understanding of English idioms and their emotional depth. Idioms like this one offer a glimpse into the poetic side of the language, allowing us to express complex emotions in a few words. Thank you for joining us, and we hope this video has been helpful. If you're looking to deepen your knowledge of English, remember that learning idioms is a great way to add color to your conversations and writing. See you in our next video.